as fishermen are guilty of overthinking and overcomplicating things all the time. Now, truth be told, thinking too much has never really been one of my biggest hurdles in life, but today it got me. I thought that maybe since we had panfish schooled up above the heavy falls, that maybe some of the bigger fish have been washed down below, and that they would be feeding down here in the calmer waters down below the big falls. So that's what I did. This maybe used to be the most gorgeous spot in all of Greenville County to go fishing until it turned into a major construction zone. That's what humans do, I guess. We always take all the pretty spots and have to build our crap there. Hello, duckies. We got this quiet pool down at the bottom, but I've been told that all the bass get washed down here, and the bass are hanging out around here. That's what we're going for, and we're gonna try not to hook one of these ducks. That would suck. How do you even get a hook out of a duck without getting thrashed? Scramble from rock to rock to get over to our spot. Yeah, I am absolutely in love with this area of downtown Greenville. I mean, how could you not be? Moving on down the line, you know, below this set of falls. The question is, how can we get down there? Whew. I feel a little bit bad. Enjoying myself fishing while these guys are up here working so hard. Well, heck, guys, we fished that spot for about another 20 minutes. Absolutely nothing, no signs of life, no bites. Just trying a couple different spots in this lower section of this park. I threw a craw, I threw a beetle spin, tried to make some noise, tried to make some flash. I got nothing for a long time. But then I remembered, I have an old faithful in this spot, the old inline rooster tail spinner, and man, as soon as I tied that on, I started slaying. I'll take anything at this point. You ever had those kind of days? You're like, man, want to catch big bass, but you'll take literally anything. Well, that's about where we are right now. End of the line attempt here for you members of the Diesel Wheels Fishing Federation. Throwing out this little yellow rooster tail, lightest lure in my tackle box. And look at that. Would you look at that? We got panfish. Frickin' A. Just like it was last time out here. Rooster tails, inline spinners, just absolute money. A beautiful little sunfish though. Sunfish. Oh, there it is again. There it is, 3 casts in a row. Come on, little buddy, fight. I mean, sunfish honey hole. We're on it. 4. This is getting silly, guys. We were out here for what, 2 hours with 0 bites? And in the same spot, we've got bites on 4 casts in a row. Can we make it 5? No, we cannot. Streak ends at 4. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It should be down kind of in this area over here, and drop a comment. I'll be back in a week with another video here on Diesel Does Fishing. It's time for a bad fish pond.